Hey class, Miss Shannon here. I hope you are all ready to listen to the story, A Difficult Decision, and think about our comprehension skill for this week, which is point of view. All right. Now, this story is a realistic fiction story, which you will remember from your previous genre lesson, that realistic fiction is a made up story, but it has characters, a setting, and events that could happen in real life. So this is a made up story, but the events and characters are realistic. For this activity, you will need your Turn practice book, page 206. Go ahead and find your Turn practice book right now. Press pause if you need to, and press play when you're ready to move on. So this is the graphic organizer we will be using today. Column number 1 is for the character. Column number 2 is the clue we find from the text. And lastly, the final column is point of view. What is the character's point of view about the event or activity in the story? Point of view. A character telling the story has feelings about the events. This is the character's point of view. The words I, my, me, and mine tell who is speaking. So once again, the words I, my, me, and mine show that a character is telling the story from his or her own point of view. It means they are telling it in the first person. Dialogue tells what the character says, thinks, and feels. So it's important to pay attention to dialogue, meaning when the characters are speaking, because they will be clues into what their point of view is. It's also important to remember that different characters in a story can have different points of views. You will look for how they think, speak, and act to know their point of view. And it's important to note, second graders, that as you listen to the story, A Difficult Decision, you will notice that two of the characters have different points of views. As you listen to the story, see if you can figure out what are the different views for the two main characters, Paul and Wyatt. On the next slide, you will watch a video of the story, A Difficult Decision. And then after that, we will meet again to work on filling out our graphic organizer for point of view. So I will see you real soon, second graders, and enjoy the story.